Want to make more money and create passive income online? If you're looking to make more money and create a steady stream of passive income online, this course is an absolute game changer. It offers a wealth of knowledge on how to build a successful affiliate marketing business from scratch. The course breaks everything down into simple, actionable steps that you can start implementing right away, whether you're just getting started or have some experience in the field. What really sets this course apart is how it's tailored to help you succeed in the real world. The lessons are practical and the strategies are easy to follow, which makes a huge difference in seeing tangible results. The course focuses on proven methods that lead to sustainable income, and the insights shared are invaluable for anyone looking to level up their affiliate marketing game. Here are a couple of tips to help you get started. Start with valuable content. Focus on creating content that truly serves your audience. Whether it's through blogs, videos, or social media posts, make sure you're solving problems and providing real value. Build genuine relationships. Engage with your audience on a personal level. By connecting through comments, emails, and direct interaction, you'll build trust and establish credibility. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to affiliate marketing. The more regularly you create content and engage with your audience, the faster you'll see results. Of course, the course itself reveals the best methods to create a successful affiliate marketing business, but these simple tips will help you get started. If you're serious about generating passive income and building a long-term affiliate marketing business, this course is hands down the best resource you can invest in. Check out link in description to take you to the next level and start making money today.